Welcome to Scalenut AI. In this video, I am going to show you the best SEO tool for digital marketers. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be on this screen right here. You can see here, Content Optimizer on your dashboard. Click on Optimize. Add your target keyword. Choose between the top 10, 20 or 30 ranking. Add URL. Select a location. And click on Start. The Content Optimizer will quickly analyze the top URLs of your choice and generate a report with an SEO score for your content. Click on Open Editor. Now, on the right side here, you'll see your SEO score. In the section Score, below here, Key Terms Analysis tells you the current key term usage, as well as what the ideal usage should be. Meta Tags Analysis gives optimal length and keyword suggestions for your meta title and meta description. The URL Analysis evaluates the article's URLs, link, and primary keyword presence for optimal SEO and user experience. The Featured Snippets section provides recommendations of frequently asked questions you can add as a part of your blog to appear as featured snippets. H1 Heading Analysis ensures you follow the best practices when creating an H1, such as its length, presence of primary keyword, and other important elements. Similar to H1 heading, the H2-H6 analysis provides insights into keywords used and other recommendations for the H2-H6 tags of your blogs. Content Depth Analysis tells you what your article's ideal length, number of headings, and image counts should be. Keyword Density tells you the density of most used keywords and of primary and secondary keywords. The Links section provides recommendations on outbound links to increase content credibility. You can either work on recommendations manually or take the help of newly launched feature, Fix It. All you need to do is click on Fix It, and it will redirect you to a suggestion screen. You can now choose to select Convert to H2 for implement the recommendation, or click on Dismiss to ignore the same. If you want to beat your competition and climb to the top of the search engine rankings, you got to stay on top of the latest SEO guidelines. If you want to use Scalenut for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.